Hello and welcome back. It has, again, been some time. Um, I think that's right. But yeah, welcome back. Okay, I thought I had one of these built, but maybe I didn't get around that far. Um, there we go. But yes, we are hopefully back. Um, Otherwise, yeah, sorry, my brain is thinking too much and it is not working. We do that, then we just, copy it, paste it. There. So then those two get unloaded onto one, get compacted, and bam, done. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Let's get one of you guys made right away. Perfect. This will be um, 2, 4, whatever. Yeah. And do I have gates at all? I don't think I have any built. Yeah, I think I ran out. There we go. Perfect. I can hold 3 trains in its station. I know this acts as a thing sometimes, but I still like doing that. let's switch you over for nanites. Or termites, sorry. Okay. So that's good for now. Let's make sure that we, I guess, just do that. Can I make it so no one can stop there, right? I don't know. But yeah, there is that. These will eventually be upgraded to just pure reds and then blues eventually, just to push out as much of this junk as possible. But let's get... Let's come down right here. I think I'll probably double this and double it down as well. Yeah. Get some view in here. Perfect. And we'll copy that and give it a little paste. Paste. Yeah. Pressing all the buttons, they're not working. Okay. Eventually we'll need lines for all of that. I think I will copy this corner and just plop it right there. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. I just need 7, so you can go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. That is not too bad. I do have quite a bit of belt still left. I think I'll take a quick little break, and I'll be right back after I place all that belt. All right, I got all the they're not inserters. Oh my gosh, belts. I got all the belts laid. Went back and needed more of everything. We need more electricals, more inserters, definitely more you know, electric furnaces, but huh. Okay. I also did lay some electricals down to get electricity up there so things stop flashing at me. Yeah. I'm wondering why is this not working? That's easy because I forgot an inserter in my setup. Not inserter. Oy. I forgot one of these. Yeah, at least it's an easy fix. It's just, you know, it's annoying. I shouldn't have missed it, but I did. And that's all of it. Not too bad. Oh, dang it. I'll auto-load to the other one. Eventually, right? Otherwise, we can always just... Yeah. I pretty much only want just those three for right now. But, you know, we'll smelt and everything, because that's, you know, how we want it to go. And I'm going to cut this though and move it down here more. I'll get back on that because all of those have to feed into that. Cut some extra forest down. Yes. Perfect. No! Press the wrong button. It crashed into a wall. Okay. I'll accept it, but I don't trust it. Okay, so we need a lot more inserters again. I'll try and get the rest of the furnaces. And we will grab, let's check real quick. Right here. Okay. Let's grab a little bit more of you. Perfect. I don't need all of you, but it doesn't hurt to grab it. I will, though, call that for this episode. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.